Hey, this is Dr. Jackson Gross. Today we're going to look at the anatomy of a rainbow trout. And not just any rainbow trout grown specifically here in California called the lightning trout. Follow along and label your own worksheet. And if you don't have one, you could find one in the description below. Or do what I do and draw out a fish and label it yourself. Hit the pause button if I'm moving too fast. Okay, well first we're going to record the fish lengths. Here I present 3 different ways that fish are measured. Now, let's label those axes. Let's start with the external anatomy and label the fins. And if you're enjoying our video, be sure to hit the like button, maybe subscribe. Now let's label the remaining external anatomy that characterizes the trout. Now for those of you doing your own fish dissections, here's a pro tip. Be sure to use the rounded part of the scissors versus the pointy end. Now let's check out the internal anatomy. Here's a test question for you. Teachers always like to ask, how many cavities in a fish heart? If you found value in this fish anatomy video, wait till you see the videos we have in store for you next.